Retro Caravan Renovation specialise in vintage van renovations and restorations. We like to make sure that the customer's vision really comes out in the caravan build. We're here at Clark Rubber today because they offer a wide range of products that we can use in our custom builds, specifically their custom-made mattresses, plumbing and outdoor supplies.
Jess from Retro Caravan Renovations is absolutely wonderful. She knows exactly what she wants, she's professional, she comes in with all the measurements and knows exactly the specific thing that she needs.
We use Clark Rubber for our upholstery because they offer a premium quality service. They offer fantastic upholstery options where we can choose our fabrics. They can make it all here on site and it's a one-stop shop for me to come down here and see them. We like using Clark Rubber for their mattress and seating products. It's really important for us because we can choose custom-made sizing to suit our caravan builds.
We can cut anything to size for you, whether it's over 2 metres, we can glue the foam together for you, which is very successful, or we can order it into a specific size. All you need to do is just bring your dimensions in or a drawing and we'll get it done for you.
Drainage and water supply is really important in our caravan builds. Obviously, we have to make sure that the water comes in that's going through drinkable water quality. So we come down to Clark Rubber. They've got a wide range of different reinforced hosing, drinking water products that we can use in our builds. We use a wide range of weather seals in our caravan builds, in our hatches, in our door seals, in our windows, and Clark Rubber offer a wide range of products that we can actually come down and visually see those and see if they actually fit for what we're actually going to be doing in the builds. We like to create a full outdoor oasis with our caravan build, so we like to offer this to our clients, whether it be outdoor grass, outdoor seating. So we like to come down to Clark Rubber and see what they have in stock. It's super exciting once we actually do the build and we get our client in there and they can actually see their build and how their creativity and everything come to life, and they get so excited about that when we actually present them with the caravan.